Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 6b of chapter number 6. Now I shall start from 6c of chapter number 6. So exercise 6c. So the first question is that what? Find the LCM of the following numbers with the help of multiplication tables. So what? With the help of what? Multiplication tables, we need to what? Find the LCM. So see, it is very simple. So in the last class we have discussed about the what? HCF, and today we shall learn about the what? LCM. So let me write what? LCM. So what is the meaning of LCM? Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. That means what? Multiple means what? A multiple means what? Table. A number of a table. So what? Lowest common multiples. So what is LCM? Let me take an example so that you will understand. Suppose 3 and 6. So if I take 3 and 6 LCM, so right, you see what? If I write 3, then 3 can be what? The factors of 3 will be what? 2. Then what? Then 3 will be what? 3 to the 6. Okay. Then wait. 3 1 are 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 3 are 9. 3 4 jar 12. Okay, then 3 5 jar 15 and 3 6 jar 18. So now if I write the multiples of, these are the factors of 3. Now if I write the multiples of 6, then what will come? 6 1 jar 6, 6 2 jar 12, 6 3 jar 18. Okay, 6 4 jar 24, 6 5 jar 30. So from this, what? So what is said? That LCM said that lowest common multiple. That means what? In the HCF we took the what? Highest one, and in the LCM what? We shall take the what? Lowest common multiple. Okay. So you see 3 6. You see common multiples are what? 12 and 12 here. Okay. Then 18 and this 18. Okay. 2 came already. So from this, which one is lowest? Which come first? 12. So what? 12 is their what? LCM. So the 12 then what? 6 and 6 you see. So what? Here you see 3 common multiples came. 6, 12, 18. 6, 12 and what? 18. So the LCM said that you take the what? Lowest common multiple. So 6, 12, 18 are the what? Common multiples. If you go on, then we shall find what? Many multiples, many common multiples. But we need the what? Lowest one. Lowest one, that means what? The first one. So first what we get what? Among these 6, 12, 18, the first one is what? 6. That is what? It is the lowest one. So the LCM of, therefore, LCM of 3, 6 equals to what? It is what? 6. So that is what about what? LCM. Now what? Now come to question number 6c. So you see question number 6c, it is as like this. So the same question is I think given. Whatever I have taken example, it is given in the question. So what? You write. Okay. So question number 1 what? 3 and what? 6. So what? With the help of multiplication tables. So write multiples of 3 equals to what? 3 1 jar 3, 6, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 3 4 jar 12, 3 5 jar 15, then 18, then 21, 3 6 jar 18, 3 7 jar 21. Okay, then what? No need of getting more. Okay, then what? Multiples of what? 6 are 6 1 jar 6, 6 2 jar 12, 6 3 jar 18, 6 4 jar 24, 6 5 jar 30. Okay, now let us take the common one. 6 12 12, 18 18, and many more are there. So write among these common multiples, common multiples, 6 is the lowest multiple. Therefore LCM of 3 and 6 equals to what? 6. That is answer. Like this you write. Now what? Now come to question number B. 4 and 8. Question number what? This is what? 1 6 1A. Okay. Now we'll be solving what? B. So what? B is what? 4 and 8. 4 and what? 8. So 4 and 8. Okay, this is B. 1B. So 4 1 jar 4, 4 1 jar 4, 4 2 jar what? 8. Okay, then 4 3 jar 12, and here what? 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 8 3 jar 24. So what? We have already got what? The first we have got what? 8 8. So what? No need of going further more. Okay, because we need the what? First one, and the first one will be the what? Lowest common multiples for both 4 and 8. So write. So no need of writing this line, you write like this. Therefore LCM of 4 and 8 equals to what? 8. Answer. Now come to C. Okay, C, what given? 10 and 15. 10 and what? 15. Okay, so 10 and 15 how? So write multiples of 10. You give dot dot dot. Okay, multiples of what? 10. Goes to what? 10 1 jar 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, then what? Multiples of 15. 15 1 jar 15, 15 2 jar 30, 45. So no need of going further. No need of what? Going further. We got here what? 30 and 30. So we shall not go more, because we have got already the first common multiple. So the first common multiple is what? 30. So what? 30 is the LCM. Therefore LCM of 10 and 15 equals to what? 30. 10 and 15 equals to what? 30. Okay. Now come to question number 2. 9 and 15. Okay, 9 and 15, these all are same. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 what? 9 and 15. Question number 2a, 9 and what? 15. So multiples of 9 and multiples of what? 15. So what? 9 1 are 9. 15 1 are 15, 30, 45. So here you see we got 45. Here also what? 45 we got. Okay. So no need of going what? More. So here what? 45. Here also what? 45. So LCM of 9 and 15 equals to what? 45. Okay. Now come to question number B, 12 and 16. 12 and what? 16. 12 and 16. So what? 12 and 2b. 2b what? 12 and 16. So 12 and what? 16. Okay. So 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 is 36, 12 4 are 48, 16 1 are 16, 32. Okay. So no need of going more. Here what we got? 48 and 48. Okay. So what? LCM of 12 and 16 will be? 16 will be what? 48. Okay, that is the answer. Now come to question number D, 18 and 27. 18 and 27. Okay. So what? 18 and 27. It is what? 2D. 18 and 27. 27. 18, 27. Okay. Now 27 1 are 27, 27 2 jar I think 27 2 jar 14 and 1, 2 2 jar 4 and 1 5, 54. We got 54. 27 2 jar what? 54. So no need of going further. Okay. So 54 and what? 54. Okay. So what? 18 and 27 will be what? 54. That is the what? Answer. 2D. Now what? Now come to question number 3. Find the LCM of the multiples by inspection. So by multiplication tables and inspection inspection both are what? Both are same. The process in which I have done question number 1 2 is same as the process 3 and what? 4. Okay. So let us try. So what? 3 4 and 6. Three, 4 and 6. So write 3a. 3 4 and what? 6. 3 4 and what? 6. So write multiples of 3. Multiples of what? 3. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 6. Multiples of what? 6. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, okay, 3 7s are 27, okay. Now what? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So now going already 12 we got, okay. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, dot dot dot, okay. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So you see, amongst 3 4 and 6, what? Among 3 4 and 6 in each cases, the first multiples what you are getting? 12 12 12. So what? Therefore LCM of 3, okay, comma 4 and 6 equals to what? 12. Okay. Now come to question number 2. 2 3 and 6. 2 3 and 6. 2 3 and 6. So this one finished. Now what? Question number 3b. 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 2 3 and what? 6. 2 3 and what? 6. Okay. So what? 2 3 and 6. 2 3 and 6. Okay. So multiples of 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 6, 8, 12 and 14. Sorry, 10. 2 5s are 10. Then 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. Okay, let me keep up to that much. Now what? Now come for 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now come to 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Okay. So see, is there any common? Yes, from there we are getting what? 12. Here also 12. Here also 12. So you can say that what? The first common multiple is what? 12. So the LCM of 2 3 and 6 will be what? 12. 2 comma 3 comma and 6 equals to what? 12. That is the answer. So that is the process of what? Inspection. Now come to question number C. So question number C, what is there? 4 6 and what? 9. 4 6 and what? 9. So question number 3C. 4 6 and 9. 3C. 4 6 and what? 9. Okay. So 4 6 and 9. 4 6 9. Okay. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 24, 6 5s are 30. Okay. And 6 6s are 36. Okay. Now 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Okay. So what you see in every cases what you are getting? 36 we got. So I stop at what? 36. because here also I got what 36, here also 36, here also 36. Okay, so the LCM of 4, 6 and 9 will be what? 36. Okay, now come to question number E. Question number E you see. Question number E, 10, 15, 10, 15 and 5. 10, 15 and 5. E, 10, 15 and 5. 10, 15 and 5. So you remove this. 10, 15, 5. Ten, 15, 5. Okay, so let us write the what multiples of 10, 15 and 5. So 10 1 jar 10, 10 2 jar 30, 10 2 jar 20, 10 2 jar 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, now up to that much. Then what? 30, 45. Okay, you got 30. I am stopping here because here 30 is there, so I got what? 30. Okay, now what? 5. 5 1 jar 5, 5 2 jar 10, 5 3 jar 15, 5 4 jar 20, 5 5 jar 25, 5 6 jar what? 30. So what, in every cases you see I am getting 30, what? 30 and here also 30. So the LCM will be what? 30. So the LCM is what? 30. You have to check in every multiples which one is coming first. So 30 is coming first. Okay. So now what? Now come to question number G. 6, 10 and 15. 6, 10 and 15. Question number 3G. So maximum I have done. Maximum numbers I have done. You do the remaining. What? 6, 10 and 15. 6, 10 and 15. What? 15. Six, 10, 15. Okay. 6 1 jar 6, 6 2 jar 12, 6 3 jar 18, 6 4 jar 24, 6 5 jar 30, 6 6 jar 36. Okay. 10 1 jar 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I am not going more. Why? Because of 30. You see 30 30 getting. With 15, 15 1 jar 15, 15 2 jar 30, 15 3 jar 45. So I am not going more because I got already what? 30. You need to check. Okay, 30 I am getting in every cases. So what? Again what? 6, 10 and 15 will be what? 30. Okay, will be what? 30. Now come to question number. Now come to question number 4. 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. So these all are same. Question number 4. These all are in the same process. 4a. 3, 4 and what? 5. What? 4a. So see, from 4a I will show one because all are same process. Many I have done with the same thing. Okay, so from 4 I will show one because from 3 and 4 all are same. So multiples of from question number 3 I have done many. So from 4 these all are same, so you can do at your home. Multiples of 3, Okay, multiples of what? 3, multiples of 4, multiples of 5. Okay, multiples of 3, 4, 5. So what? Let me start with 3. So what? Let me start with what? 5. 5 is bigger, so let me start with what? 5. 5 1 jar 5, 5 2 jar 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, then 40, 45. Okay, okay, let me keep up to that much and see whether any common coming or not. Twenty coming 20, but in 3 that in 3 20 may not come. So you see, I need to go more. You see, 3 10s are 30. Here what? 15 15 is there, but here no 15. Here what? 20 20 is there, but there is no 20. So there is no common multiple. So I need to go more. Okay. So let me extend it. 50. Okay. Then 55. Then 60. So let me continue up to 60. Whether I shall get 60 or not. Okay. So what? Then 4 10s are what? 4 10s are 44. 4 11s are 4 11s are 44. Okay. Then 4 12s are 48. 4 13s are 4 14s are 56. Okay, and 4 15s are 60. So what? 60 we got common. Let me stop up to here. Then let me go to 3 whether I shall get 60 or not. Okay, 30. Then what? 11s are 33. 12s are 36. 3 13s are 39. Okay, then 3 14s are 42. 3 15s are 45. Then what? 51. Then 3 17s are 18. 3s are 54. 18 3s are what? 54. And 19 3s are 57. 19 3s are what? 57. And 23s are 60. Okay, so I got what? 60. In what? I got what? 60. Okay, now what you see here, I got what 60, here also I got what 60, here also I got what 60. So what, no need of going further. Okay, we can continue up to further. So we got what, first multiple what 60, therefore LCM of what 3 comma 4 comma 5, 3 comma 4 comma 3 comma 4 and what 5 equals to what 60. That is the what answer. And this is the end of this exercise C. Now I shall start exercise D, 6D. So what, exercise 6D, what, find the LCM of the numbers. So here what, in the question it is not mentioned that I should maintain the multiplication tables or inspection. So this type of LCMs I can find with the help of prime factorization. Okay, so let's start exercise 6D. Exercise 6D. Okay, so question number 1, 8, 12. 8, 12. Okay, so what, first you what, prime factorize. So 2, you know how to prime factorize by dividing. 2 fours are 8. Again what, 2 twos are 4. Again what, 2 ones are 2. Okay, then if you prime factorize 12, then 2 6 are 12. Okay, then what, 2 3 are 6, then 3 1 are, until you get 1 to continue on dividing. Okay, so now what, now write 8 equals to what, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, and 2 and 12 equals to what, 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. So what, in case of HCF we take what, only the common multiples, sorry, only the common factors, but in LCM we shall take the common factors and the remaining factors. So common factors are 2 here. Is there any mode 2? Yes, this mode 2, and the rest all we shall take. Therefore write LCM of 8 and 12 equals to what, this, from these two pair we shall take 1 2, again this from 2 we shall take 1 2, then the remaining is what, 3 2 this 1. So into 3 into 2 into what, 1. So now we multiply, 2 2s are 4 into 3 2s are 6, so it is what, 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is what, 24. Okay, so this is what, by prime factorization method we find what, LCM. Okay, earlier whatever we have done by what, with the help of multiplication table or by inspection. So that is what, by prime factorization method. So let's come to question number 1C, 12 and what, 18. 12 and 18. One C. Okay, 1C is what, 12 and what, 18. 12 and what, 18. For 12 and 18 you see, 2 6 are 2 3 are 3 1 are, 18 what, 2 9 are 3 3 are 3 1 are, until you get 1 you go on continuing. Okay, you go on division. Now you write what, 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1, and 18 equals to what, 2 into 3 into 3 into what, 1. Now what, you take the common factors, 2, okay, then these 3, okay, then the remaining factors, right. Therefore LCM of 12 comma 18 equals to what, this common 2, this common 3 and rest remaining 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Now what? 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are what? 36. Okay, 36. Now come to question number. Now come to question number 10. 6. See D. D you see. What? 10 and 25. 1D. 10 and what? 25. So 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 25 we can do directly with 5. 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. Therefore 10 equals to 2 into 5 into 1 and 25 equals to what? 5 into 5 into 1. So we are getting what? 5. Okay. So therefore LCM of 10 and 25 equals to what? This 5 common 5 into what? 2 and 5. 2 into 5 into 1. 1 is in every case is there. In every case 1 is there. Okay. So 5 2 are 10. 10 5 are 10 into 5. Okay. 50. What? 50. So that is the answer. Now come to question number 2. It is of same. Okay. So from question number 2 I am solving 24 and 18. 24 and 18. These are of same type. Okay. 24 and 18. So question number 2A. 24 and what? 18. So 24. 12s are 6 are 3s are 1s are. 18. 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Therefore you write 24 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into what? 1. Okay. And 18 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Now take the common one. These two. Is there any more 2? Yes. These 3 and these 3. Okay. Now what? Now the remaining one. Therefore LCM of 24 and 18 equals to what? This common 2 into common 3. Then what? Then the remaining factors 3 2 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay. 2 3 is then all. Okay. So write what? 3 2s are 6. Okay. This one what? 3 2s are what? 6. Then again 3 2s are 6. Then 2. Okay. So 6 6 are what? 36. 36 into 2, it is what? 72. So it is what? 36 into 2, it is what? 72. So this is the what? Answer. 72 is the what? Answer. Now come to what? Question number B. 24 and 32. This is of same type. Okay. 24 and 32. 2B. 24 and what? 32. So 24. This one same. 32 you see 3 with 2, 16 to jar with 8, with 4, with 2, with 1. Okay. Okay. So what? Now what? You write. Therefore 24 equals to what? So what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Here what? 32 equals to what? 32 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now take the pair 2, these two, okay, then the remaining one, right? Therefore LCM, LCM of 24 and 32 goes to what? This common 2, then this common 2, then this common 2, okay, then the remaining factors 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2 into 1, okay. So what? Now you check from there. 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into 2 3s are 6 into again 2 2s are 4, okay. Now what? Now you do here 6 4s are 24, 24 into what? 4, 24 into what? 24 into what? 4. So what? 24 into what? 4. 4 2 are 8 and 1 9. It is what? 96. Goes to what? 96. Okay. So this is the what? LCM. 96. Okay. Now come to question number. Okay, these all are same. Okay, you practice. Now come to question number 3. 21 and 63. Okay, 21 and 63. These all are in same process. Question number 3a, 21 and what? 63. 21 and what? 63. Same process. 21, okay. 2 with 3, 3 7s are 21. With 7 1s are 7. 63. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 7s are again 7 1s are. Okay. Therefore 21 equals to 3 into 7 into 1 and 63 equals to what? 3 into 3 into 7 into what? 1. So here common what? These 3. Okay. Then what here? 7. This 7 we can take. Okay. Then 1. So what we can write? Therefore LCM of 21 and 63 equals to what? 3 into 7 is common 2, then remain what? Only 3 into 3 into 1, okay, into 1. So what? 3 7s are 21 into 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Answer is what? 63. Answer is what? 63. Now come to what? D. 3D. These all are in the same process. For that I am solving 60 and what? 60 and 90. 60 and 90. So 60 with 2 30s are 60, with 2 15s are 30, with 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are. Now 90. 2 45s are 90. Okay. How? 4 2s are 8, remain 1, then 10, 5 2s are 10. Now what? With 3 5s are 5 1s are. Okay. Now write 60 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. Now what? 90 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. Now you take the common, these 2, then these 3, then this 5. So 1 is common in everyone. Now what? LCM. LCM of 60 and 90 equals to what? It will be what? This common 2 3 5. 2 3 5 into 1. Then the remaining one 2 3. 2 and 3. So into 2 into 3. So now multiply 3 2s are 6 into 5 1s are 5 into what? 2 3 are 6. Okay, now what? 6 5 are 30. So what? 30 into 6. I think it is what? 180. It is what? 180. So this is the what? Answer. So these all are in the same process. Now come to question number 4. So from question number 4, whenever you will find 3 numbers, at that time you have to take the what? Highest greatest number of times each factor appears. Okay, so I shall show you. So whenever you will be finding 3 numbers by prime factorization, then you take like this. Question number 4. So question number 4 what? 6 8 12. 6 comma 8 comma 12. So if factorize 6 first, 2 3 jar, 3 1 jar, 8, 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar, 2 1 jar, 12, 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar, 3 1 jar. So right, therefore 6 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, then 8 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Then 12 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into what? 1. Now you see, in a line, in a line, the greatest number of times which factor is repeating for the greatest number? Which factor is repeating for the greatest number? You see, in 6 no one is repeating, in 8 2 is repeating 3 times, and in 12 2 is repeating what? 2 times. So the highest one is what? Here. Okay, so this one I shall write. Then what? Then 3, is there any repeating? 3 is repeating? No, 3 is not repeating. So 3 is what? Repeating 1 time. So I shall take what? 3. Okay, so write LCM. LCM of 6 comma 8 comma 12 equals to what? 2 is repeating 3 times, so I will take the greatest one. 2 into 2 into 2. Then what? 3 is, then what? Wait, then what? And what? And what? 3 is repeating what? 1 time. So what? I shall take what? 3. You see, 1 time, 1 time. Okay, so I shall take what? 3. Now what? Here what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. So what? LCM will be what? 24. Now come to question number what? Now come to question number C. 20, 30 and 40. $20, 30 and what? 40. 20, 30, 40. Question number 4C. 4C. 20, 30 and what? 40. 40. So you check 20 with what? 2 10 jar, 2 5 jar, then 5 1 jar. Okay. Then 30, in case of 30 what? 2 15 jar, then 3 5 jar, and 5 1 jar. Then for 40 what? 2 20 jar, 2 10 jar, 2 5 jar, and 5 1 jar. So now you write 20 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, into what? 1. Then 30 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. Then 40 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into what? 1. Now what? This 2 is repeating 3 times, that is the highest. Okay, and what? And 5 repeating in each case 1 time. So what? We shall take what? 5. So see, therefore LCM of 20, 30, 40 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So what? So we shall take what? 2 into 2 into 2. Then what? 5 repeating in each case 1 time. So we shall take 5. Then the remaining factors what? 3 is there. So 3. Okay. Then into what? 1. So what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into what? 5 3s are 15. 8 into 5 into 3. Okay. So 5 8s are what? 40 into 3. Then 120. That is the what? Answer. Okay. Now what? Now see question number 5a. 75, 125 and 150. So what do you see? 5a. 75, 125 and what? And 150. Okay. So first is factorize 75. So with 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. With 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. Okay. 125 with what? 5. With 3 it is not possible. With 5. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. With 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. Okay. Now 150. Okay. So with 2 7s are remain what? 2 5s are 10, 1 remain. Okay. 2 7s are 14, 1 remain. If I take here, then it will become 10. 2 5s are 10. Now what? With 3 2s are 6 and 1 remain, it is what? 15. So 3 5s are 15. Again what? With 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. Okay. Now write. Therefore 75 equals to what? 3 into 5 into 5 into 1, and 125 equals to what? 5 into 5 into 5 into what? 1, and what? 150 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into what? 1. So LCM, right? LCM of 75, 125, 150 equals to what? Shall write. Okay. So what? Here you see 5 repeating highest 3 times. So we shall take what? 5 into 5 into 5. Then which are repeating? Then 3 repeating in each case 1 time. So what? Into 3. Okay. So what? Let me multiply. 5 5 are 25. 125. 125 into what? 3. 375. So what? 375 is the what? Wait. Here what? 75, 125 and what? 150. So what? Let me check. 125. Wait. Question number 5A. But there is something wrong. Check one time. 5. Then what? From there we took what? 5. 3 here one time. So we need to take again 3 because 3 is not repeating in every case. So you cannot take 3 one time here, one time here. So what? We took what? 3. Then what? 3 3s are 9. Seven 50. So what? 355. Then what? 555. 2 3 2 3 5 5 2 3 5 5. Okay. Then 1. First in highest we need to take. So we need to check how many times? 2 3 repeating. Okay, here highest 3 times, here 2 times. I think I need to take this 5 into 5. Okay, then 3 2 times 3. Okay, 125. 625 into what? 625 into 9. What is wrong there? Let me do this one again. Wait. So what? 28 222 222 22. Okay. Let me write again. 75 equals to what? 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. Then 125 equals to what? 5 into 5 into 5 into what? 1. And 150 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into what? 1. So here what? 5 repeating 3 times. LCM of what? 75, 125, 150. Okay, goes to what? 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, then yes, 5 into 5 into 5. Then what? Into 3 into 3 into 2. Now let us check 125. 125 here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are what? 18. Let me check. Okay. Then 8 1 jar 18. Sorry, this 3 is repeating one time. We shall take only this 3. So what? 3 2 jar 6. Wait, not 18. So what? 3 2 jar what? 6. So what? 6 5 jar 30 and remain 3. 6 2 jar 12. 13 14 15. 5. 6 1 jar 6 and 1 7. So what? It will be what? 750. That is the what? Answer. Okay. So here you see what I have done. So here what? The number of factors, highest factors that are repeating what? 5. So I have taken what? 5. So 3 is repeating what? In every cases you see 3 is repeating one time. So I took what? 3. And remain what? 2. Only 1 2. So I need to take what? 2. Okay. So number B you see 60 80 and 180. So 60 80 and 180. 60 80 and what? 180. 180. So 60 2 30 jar 2 15 jar 2 3 5 jar 5 1 jar. Now 80 2 40 jar 2 20 jar 2 10 jar 2 5 jar 5 1 jar. Okay. Now what? 180. Okay. 180 what? 2 9 jar 2 45 jar 3 15 jar 3 5 jar 5 1 jar. Okay. So here you see therefore 60 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. And 80 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 into what? 5. Okay. Into what? 1. 180 is to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. Now LCM of 60 comma 80 comma 180 equals to what? You see 2 repeating 1 2 3 4 here 1 2 and 3 repeating highest 2 times, 5 repeating 1 times. Okay. So check 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4. Okay. Then 3 repeating 2 times, 3 into 3. Okay. And 5 in every case repeating what? 1 time into 1. So let me multiply whether this comes or not. So what? Multiply 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are what? 16 and 3 5s are what? 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 into what? 16 into 16. So what? 30 remain 3, 4 5s are 4 6s are 24, 25 20 27. So into what? 5 4. Okay. So 0 2 7 4 plus 2 is what? 6 and 1 7. It is what? 720. So if you multiply you get what? 720. Okay. So this is rough. Okay. How? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what 4 4s are 16, so I wrote what 16. 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45, so I wrote what 45. So what 720. So if I multiply this one, then I'll get what 720. So from there you see the highest factor repeating is what 2 2 2 2 2. It is 4 times repeating. So I wrote what 2. Here what you see, in this case 3 repeating 1 time, in this case 3 not repeating, in this case 3 repeating what 2 times, 3 repeating what 2 times. So highest one I need to take, so I took what 3 2 times. Then what, in each case you see 5 repeating 1 time, so I took what 5 1 time, and 1 repeating 1 time, so I took it 1 repeating what 1 time. So if you multiply, you'll get what 720. So this is the required answer. Okay, so today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.